Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're talking about 7 powerful fruits that every senior should start eating today to boost health, vitality, and longevity. Let's jump right in. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and improves skin health. Their natural antioxidants also promote heart health, something seniors need to prioritize. Rich in potassium, bananas help maintain healthy blood pressure and prevent muscle cramps. They're easy to digest and provide sustained energy throughout the day. An apple a day isn't just a saying. Apples are high in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes heart health, while their natural sugars offer a gentle energy boost. Blueberries are a superfood packed with antioxidants that protect the brain from aging and boost memory. They're perfect for supporting cognitive health as we age. Papaya is rich in digestive enzymes and vitamin A, promoting eye health and a smoother digestion process. It's a must-have for seniors dealing with digestive issues. Grapes contain powerful antioxidants like resveratrol, which support heart health and reduce inflammation. They're a great snack option for overall well-being. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that improve blood circulation and lower the risk of heart disease. They're a heart-healthy choice for seniors. These 7 fruits are nature's gift to seniors, offering essential nutrients to keep your body strong, your mind sharp, and your heart healthy. Make them a part of your daily diet today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.